So here we have a 2014 key fob BMW, and the battery needs to be changed. For this, basically, this is your only tool. I went to the kitchen, got a knife, and it requires the 2450 battery that you can buy just pretty much anywhere at a local store. So the first thing is you got to remove this key, hidden key, the button right here, to release the key. So technically you just push that button down and the key will slide right out. Now, the key becomes a tool. It actually came out of this hole. All you have to do is put it in this hole and basically twist up. Maybe. Or just pry it up and it'll pop up. So I made that a little more difficult than it should be, but then the lid pops right up. So now you're done with that tool. Only reason why I got the knife is because that won't fit right in here, which I need to take out the battery because it's wedged in the back side. So we'll take that up, pop it up. Shouldn't be that hard, but I guess it's child-proof. They really sealed up this battery in this package here. I think it's more difficult than actually replacing it. So, anyway, once I get it out, remember the jagged, the crisscross looking side, that will go down. Flat side goes up. So we'll just put it in there, slip it in there, and everything goes back the way it was until you hear it snap. Technically, I'm not getting it to snap. There it goes, it snapped. Okay. Just put your key back in that slot. And you're done.